Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Sometimes we trust the weather forecast, but suddenly we face strong wind or heavy rain. In this video, you will learn simple and useful English expressions for dealing with weather trouble, slowly and clearly. Don't worry, the conversation is simple and I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you improve your English listening skills. So here is today's question. What did Ken say about the chance of rain? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Hi, Ellie. Over here.
Hi, Ken. I'm coming.
Great. You made it.
Yes. Sorry, am I late?
No, you were right on time. I just got here too.
Oh, good. I was a little worried. I thought I was late.
Don't worry at all. You were not late.
That's a relief. I walked fast because I was worried.
You didn't need to rush. So how are you today?
I'm great. I'm really happy to see you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm happy to see you too.
That's good to hear.
Wow, it's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's so hot. The sun is so strong.
I can feel the heat on my skin.
Me too. My face feels hot already.
But the sky is so blue and beautiful today.
You're right. There are no clouds at all.
Not a single cloud. It's completely clear.
It's a perfect blue sky, so beautiful.
It's a nice day for a walk, I think.
Yes, I think so too. The weather's really nice.
Perfect weather for going out.
I agree completely. I'm happy we made plans today.
Me too. Should we start walking now?
Sure, let's go. I can't wait.
The streets are busy today.
Yes, many people are out walking.
Everyone wants to enjoy the good weather, I guess.
That makes sense. It's a beautiful day.
Did you check the weather forecast today?
Yes, I did. I checked it this morning.
What did it say?
The forecast said it will be very hot today. Very, very hot.
Right. They said today will be the hottest day this week.
Really? The hottest day? That's very hot.
Yes, the temperature will be over 35 degrees.
35 degrees? That's really high.
I know. It's like being in an oven.
Wow, that's like a summer in my country.
Is it very hot in your country too?
Sometimes. We have hot summers, but the heat feels different here.
How is it different?
The air here feels heavier, more wet, maybe.
Ah, I understand what you mean. Japan is very humid in summer.
Yes, that's the word, humid. The air is humid here.
The humidity makes everything feel hotter.
Exactly. It makes me feel much hotter.
Everyone feels heat differently, I think.
That's true. Some people handle heat well.
And some people don't handle it well at all.
My friend never feels hot, even in summer. She's amazing.
That's amazing. I feel hot very easily.
Me too. I sweat a lot when it's hot.
Same here. I'm already sweating now.
Me too. My back is wet already.
By the way, do you trust the weather forecast?
Mostly. I usually believe it. Why do you ask?
Well, the forecast is not always correct.
That's true. Sometimes it says sunny, but then it rains.
Yes, exactly. Weather is hard to predict.
But today looks fine. The sky is clear, not a single cloud.
You're right. The forecast said sunny all day.
No rain at all, right?
Right. 0% chance of rain.
So we don't need umbrellas today.
Right, I didn't bring one. Did you?
No, me neither. I left my umbrella at home.
Good, we don't need them anyway.
Let's enjoy the sunshine.
Whoa, did you feel that?
Feel what?
That gust of wind. It was sudden.
Oh, yes. There it is again.
The wind is getting stronger.
Oh my hair is flying everywhere.
Are you okay?
Yes, but I can't see. My hair is in my face.
You look funny. Sorry, I shouldn't laugh.
It's okay. I probably look crazy right now.
Here, let me hold your bag for you.
Thank you. That's so helpful. Wait, let me tie my hair.
Good idea. Take your time.
Okay, I'm tying it now. Just a moment.
This wind is really strong. Where did it come from?
I don't know. It was calm just a minute ago.
The weather changed so suddenly.
The weather is so strange today.
What did you say? I can't hear you. The wind is too loud.
I said the weather is strange.
Yes, it is. Very strange. Let's walk faster.
Okay, hold on to your hat. Don't let it fly away.
I'm trying. This is crazy.
I feel like I'm going to fly away.
Don't fly away, Ellie.
I'll try my best. This wind is so strong.
Look, the trees are shaking so much.
I know. The leaves are flying everywhere.
Oh no, my receipt flew out of my pocket.
Let it go. It's too windy to chase it.
You're right. It's gone now.
Let's find a place with less wind.
Good idea. Maybe between those buildings?
Let's go there, quickly.
Okay, follow me.
That's better. The wind is weaker here.
Yes, much better. I can finally relax.
My hair is such a mess now.
It's okay. Mine too.
Wait, Ken, did you feel that?
Feel what?
Something hit my arm. I think I felt a raindrop.
A raindrop? Are you sure?
Yes, I think so. It felt wet.
What? But the forecast said sunny.
I know, but... Oh no, another drop. On my hand.
You're right. I felt it too. On my head.
Look at the sky. When did it get so dark?
I don't know. It was blue just a moment ago.
The clouds came so fast, I didn't even notice.
The clouds are moving so fast. Look at them.
This is bad. Oh no, it's starting to rain more.
And it's getting heavier. Much heavier.
Do you have an umbrella?
No, I didn't bring one. Do you?
No, me neither. We trusted the forecast. This is bad. The rain is really strong now.
My shirt is getting wet.
My hair too. So much for tying it up.
Where can we go? These buildings have no roof outside.
We're still getting wet. We need a place with a roof.
I can't believe this. The weather forecast was wrong.
So wrong. They said no rain at all. 0%.
Look, is that a bus stop over there?
Yes, it has a roof. Let's go there.
Good. Let's run as fast as we can.
Okay, hurry. I'm right behind you.
My shoes are all wet now.
Mine too. This is terrible.
Almost there. Keep running.
I'm running. I'm running.
We made it. Finally.
Yes, we're safe now.
At least we're not in the rain anymore.
That was intense. My heart is beating so fast.
Mine too. We ran so fast.
But we're so wet. Look at my clothes. They're dripping.
I know. My bag is wet too. Everything is wet.
I hope my phone is okay. Let me check.
Good idea. Let me check mine too.
Mine is okay. It's working. That's a relief.
Mine is fine too. Thank goodness.
Look, I think the rain is slowing down.
You're right. It was so heavy just a minute ago.
It's getting lighter now.
I think it's almost stopping.
Oh, look, I can see some blue sky again, over there.
You're right. The clouds are moving away.
The rain stopped. That was fast.
Yes, but it's so humid now. Can you feel it?
I know. The air feels so heavy and wet.
This is uncomfortable. It's hard to breathe.
The humidity is very high after rain.
You know, high humidity doesn't always mean rain.
Really? I thought they were connected.
Well, they are related, but sometimes it's humid without rain.
That's interesting. I didn't know that.
And sometimes it's not very humid, but it still rains.
That makes sense. Like today, before it rained, it was already humid.
Exactly. The air was already wet this morning.
I feel so tired now. Is that normal?
You too? I feel tired too. My body feels heavy.
I wonder why we feel so tired.
I think weather can affect how we feel.
Really? The weather can change how our bodies feel?
Yes, many people feel tired when it's humid.
That explains a lot. I feel heavy and slow.
Me too. And some people get headaches from weather changes.
Really? Headaches from weather?
Yes, when the weather changes quickly, some people feel pain.
I didn't know that. Weather is powerful.
Yes, it is. Weather affects our bodies.
I learned something new today.
Should we start walking again?
Okay, but slowly. I'm still tired.
I can't believe it. The forecast was so wrong.
I know. It was completely wrong. They said sunny all day.
Sunny, no clouds, no rain. That's what they said.
And what did we get? Rain, strong wind.
And now this terrible humidity.
The forecast said hot and sunny. That's all.
Well, they got the hot part right.
That's true. It is very hot.
But I'm wet and hot. That's the worst combination.
I agree. Wet and hot is terrible.
This is not what I expected today.
Me neither. I wanted a nice, easy walk.
Instead, we got a weather adventure.
That's one way to say it.
We experienced sun, wind, and rain, all in one day.
Why can't the forecast be more accurate?
Weather is very hard to predict, I guess.
But still, sunny to rainy is a big difference.
You're right, it's not a small mistake.
If they said maybe rain, I would have brought an umbrella.
Me too, but they said 0% chance of rain.
0%? And look what happened.
Next time, I will bring an umbrella always.
That's a smart idea, just in case.
Yes, just in case. Better safe than sorry.
I learned my lesson today.
Me too. Never trust the forecast completely.
But we can still look at it.
Yes, just don't believe it 100%.
Exactly. Be prepared for anything.
Oh, there's a cafe. Do you want to go in?
That's tempting, but I should probably go home soon. My clothes are too wet.
That's true. You should change into dry clothes. You might catch a cold.
Yes, I don't want to get sick. But today was really something, wasn't it?
It really was. So many things happened.
First, it was so hot and sunny.
Then the wind came suddenly and messed up your hair.
Yes, that was funny. I couldn't see anything.
And then the rain. We got so wet.
We were running like crazy.
Me too. My legs hurt from running.
And now it's humid and hot again.
The weather today was like a roller coaster,
That's a good way to describe it.
full of surprises.
But you know what? I had fun.
Really? Even with all the trouble?
Yes, Because I was with you.
That's nice of you to say. I had fun too.
When things go wrong, it's easier with a friend.
I agree completely. We laughed a lot today.
Yes, we did. The wind, the rain, everything.
We made good memories today.
Yes, we did. I will remember today for a long time.
I think the weather changes our mood,
Yes, some people feel sad when it rains.
and some people feel happy when it's sunny.
Weather is interesting when you think about it.
It is. Paying attention to weather makes life more interesting.
I never thought about weather much before.
But now you will?
Yes, every day will be a little more interesting.
That's great. Weather watching can be fun.
Maybe I'll become a weather expert.
You can predict better than the forecast.
That wouldn't be hard after today.
Well, let's meet again soon.
Yes, let's. Maybe on a truly sunny day.
Or we can bring umbrellas just in case.
Good idea. I'll never forget my umbrella again.
See you soon, Ellie. Get home safe.
I'll try. You too. Bye.
Bye. Today was really fun.
It really was. Thanks for everything.
Thank you too. See you next time.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful English expressions about the weather. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What did Ken say about the chance of rain? The answer was in the conversation. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments. Writing in English, even short sentences, is a great way to improve your English skills. On this channel, I share short stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and speaking step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And before we finish, just one more small thing. I also have a membership. If you feel this video was helpful, I would really appreciate your support by joining the membership. You can join by clicking the membership button next to the subscribe button below this video. Thank you so much for your support. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.